Noah? Here's Ethan. This is the Duluth lighthouse. Here is the lighthouse. We will walk down there. And this is a bridge that can go up and down to let the traffic through. And here's a whole bunch of seagulls who loves French fries. Boys are having a lot of fun. Let's go walk by the to the lighthouse. You want to go to the lighthouse, Ethan? Let's go. It's a beautiful view from here. There's a little hilly area on the other side of the lake. This is the Lake Superior, one of the greatest lakes. Looks almost like an ocean. There are all the tourists and visitors from all different places.